Hi, welcome to the technical channel of Electrometer Corporation. Today we are here to demonstrate the working of a pulse oximeter. Let us unbox the device. The common pulse oximeters available in the market these days come in boxes similar to this. At first, we are going to unwrap the box and bring the pulse oximeter out of it to fix the batteries. We shall now open the back lid as shown here and will check the direction plus and minus and put the batteries matching the indicated direction. Batteries also have plus and minus sign along their side for the understanding of the direction and the polarity. We are using two pieces of AAA batteries. Now we are going to close the lid. We shall now press the switch. The device is showing an indication called finger out as it is unable to sense our finger inside. On inserting the finger in the slot, the pulse oximeter will be indicating the SpO2, that is the oxygen content in the blood, and the heart rate in terms of BPM, beats per minute. A normal human heart should record ideally more than a heart rate between 60 and 90 BPM. Similarly, an indication of SpO2 more than 93 to 94% indicates adequate O2 in blood. If the SpO2 is less than 91%, we should consult the doctor as it indicates that patient may undergo a hypoxia, that is a lack of oxygen. Now press the switch on and there is push indication in the opposite side of the switch. When the side is pressed, the oximeter opens like a clip and the finger has to be inserted in. We can see inside a red LED glowing, which is basically the sensor performing this function of sensing SpO2 and heart rate from our fingertip. We shall now allow it to sense the reading for a few seconds and more. Boom! We have started to get the values. The person in the demo has got an SpO2 level of 97% and a heart rate of 83, indicating that he is equipped with a perfect health condition. The heart rate is gradually increasing as it is natural of the heart to undergo rapid fluctuations of its rhythm. Keeping the finger inside and pressing the button will allow us to rotate the oximeter screen in various directions. Thank you.